Yo, what is up everybody? It's your name. And this is Naimur. Welcome to our guide on building a brand around your blog or channel. Listen, if you're putting yourself out there, creating content, trying to build something real, you need to brand it. You need to own it. We're not just talking about a logo here, we're talking about an identity. This is about connecting with your audience on a deeper level. In this video, we'll explore why branding is crucial and how you can create a strong brand that builds trust and loyalty. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about views, it's about building something that lasts. So let's do this. All right, let's talk branding. Why is branding so important? I'm talking about the difference between scrolling past something and stopping dead in your tracks because it resonates with you. It's that instant connection. Think about the brands you love. What is it about them? It's more than just a product, right? It's a feeling, it's trust, it's consistency, it's knowing what to expect and getting it every single time. That's what you need to do with your blog, your channel, your content. You need to build that same level of familiarity and trust, because when people trust you, they come back for more. They tell their friends, they become invested in what you're doing. And that, my friends, is how you build a loyal following, a community, a movement. But it all starts with a strong brand. So let's get into it. So how do you actually build a brand? It starts with the visuals, the logo, the colors, the tagline. These are the building blocks of your brand's identity. First up, the logo. This is the face of your brand. It needs to be memorable, unique, and easily recognizable. Don't overthink this. Sometimes the simplest logos are the most effective. Next, your color palette. Colors evoke emotions, so choose wisely. What kind of vibe are you going for? Bold and energetic, calm and trustworthy. Your colors should reflect the personality of your brand. Finally, the tagline. This is your brand's mantra. It needs to be short, catchy, and capture the essence of what you're all about. Think Nike's Just Do It. Simple, powerful, and unforgettable. Spend some time on this, get creative, experiment, and don't be afraid to iterate until you find something that truly feels right. Chapter 3, consistency is key: tone, style, and voice. All right, you've got your logo, your colors, your tagline. Now it's time to bring it all together through your content. And the key here is consistency. Think about it. Every time you post a video, write a blog post, or share something on social media, you're building your brand. And every piece of content needs to feel like it came from the same place. That means finding your voice and sticking with it. Are you funny and irreverent, serious and informative? Whatever it is, own it. Be consistent with your tone, your style, and your overall message. And don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. People connect with people. So don't be afraid to be yourself. The more authentic you are, the more your audience will relate to you. Chapter 4, infusing you, personality, values, authenticity. Okay, so you've got the look, you've got the voice. Now it's time to inject the heart and soul into your brand, your personality and your values. This is what separates you from everyone else. What do you stand for? What are you passionate about? What do you want to put out into the world? These are the questions you need to ask yourself. Because when you infuse your content with your values, your passions, your authentic self, it resonates on a whole other level. People can feel it. They can see that you're not just trying to sell them something, you're trying to build something real, and that's what it's all about, right? Building a community, connecting with people, making a difference. But you can't do that if you're not being true to yourself. So wear your heart on your sleeve, let your freak flag fly, and watch your audience connect with you on a deeper level. Outro, build it, and they will come. So that's it. That's how you build a brand around your blog or channel. It takes time, it takes effort, but trust me, it's worth it. Remember, a strong brand is key to building a loyal audience. It's about creating a connection that goes beyond just the content itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your blog or channel. Keep hustling, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.